In this video, I'll show you how you can check your mastery on League of Legends champions. Now, as you can see here, you can see my mastery score on my profile, this right here. Now, if you want to check the mastery score for a specific champion, what you can do is you can simply come up to your collection. And from in here, you're going to select a champion. So let's say I want to check on Nami. Click on mastery right here. And you can see I'm level 27 and this is my XP. Now I get XP from leveling up, like playing the game. Simply by playing games, if you play on Nami, you will get mastery points on Nami. And you can see it in here, how it works. Now, when you play games and you get the S or S plus and all the good grades, you get more mastery, as you can see here. And you get the rewards by having the mastery. So you can get the chests and you can get the mastery points. And that's about it. You can see my level here. If I go onto my profile, you can see my top 3 highest, and you can see I have my S plus on all of them. And that's how you can check it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.